Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on Microsoft Defender in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your computer is fully loaded up. Wait until your Windows 11 system has completely booted and is ready to use before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the menu and then type in Settings. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Windows Settings menu, which is your central hub for managing all system configurations and security features. From here, look for the option labeled Update and Security and click on it. This section houses all the critical security and update settings for your Windows 11 system, including Microsoft Defender controls. Once you're in this section, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there. Look for and click on Windows Security. This is where Microsoft Defender and all related protection features are managed. Under the Windows Security section, you'll find various security options that help protect your computer from threats and malicious software. Now locate and click on Virus and Threat Protection. This is the core component of Microsoft Defender and serves as your primary defense against viruses, malware, and other security threats. This is the initial step in turning on Microsoft Defender, and it's crucial for keeping your system secure. To enable this protection, simply click on the toggle button to turn it on. You'll notice the interface changes to indicate that real-time protection is now active. This means Microsoft Defender is now actively scanning and protecting your computer from potential threats in real time. Next, you'll want to head to the Firewall and Network Protection section. You can find this in the same Windows Security menu. The firewall works alongside Microsoft Defender to provide an additional layer of security by monitoring and controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. Simply turn this option on as well by clicking the toggle button. Enabling both virus and threat protection and firewall and network protection together ensures that Microsoft Defender is fully operational and providing comprehensive protection for your Windows 11 system. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Microsoft Defender on your Windows 11 computer, ensuring your system is protected from viruses, malware, and network threats. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.